I'm a fifth generation blacksmith. I started blacksmithing when I was about 7. I was brought into my father's workshop, and it was just a novelty for me to be paid to come in and light fires and all the noise and everything that goes with it. We've been involved with various heritage societies over many years, and we've been working demonstrations here in Drimnagh Castle for over 17 to 18 years. The main work we do here in blacksmithing in Drimnagh Castle is what we do is we reuse old metals that have been found on the ground. We'll refire them, forge them, shape them, and utilise them then within the castle itself. Well, I think it's important to keep the traditional skills alive. We wouldn't want to get to a point where the new machines have taken over completely. Heritage to me is the traditions and skills that were passed down through the generations, keeping them alive and passing them on to the next generation.